Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. I kind of rambled on in the podcast, so I'm going to try and be quick and to the point with this. I like to start at the finish, $47. And here's what's in here. Not just one or two emails done for you. How about Lee Murray has put together, if you were to send one email every day for the next 6 months, he's created all the emails for you. There's over 180 emails. It's done for you. He's got the funnel. He's got the rotator. He's got the training. He's got the traffic training. It's all put together. But the part that's going to make you money is focusing in on just the one thing he wants you to do. Get people onto your mailing list. Pardon me, I just burped there. Get people onto your mailing list. That's the only job you have. All the other things, from posting blogs to reviews to videos to social media, all that stuff is extraneous, outside, not focused in on what you really need to be working on. So the neat thing about this is this laser focuses you on just get people on your list, send them these emails. And the more people you get on the list, the better response, not better response rate, but the better response as far as numbers of people clicking on your links to check out your offer and number of people actually going through and buying your offer. And you'll start to see that this is one of the highest return on investment things out there is email marketing. And it's what if you've ever bought anything, you've pretty much been sent an email before you bought it. You didn't go looking for videos about something. You didn't go hunting around. You went right to your email box. You went, hey, that looks interesting. Clicked a link. You went to the page, and then you clicked a link to buy it. And maybe you had previously signed up for an email list, and the guy sent you stuff, and that's how you ended up finding out about it. That's really where it all comes from. The vast majority of sales come from your mailing list. So this laser focuses you in on that, gives you everything you need to make money from it. And again, it's going to make you every day go, hey, I got to get more people to sign up to my mailing list. I don't got to make more videos. I don't got to make more blog posts. I don't got to go on Twitter and make some funny posts and put up pictures and all that. I need to get people on my mailing list. And when you focus like that, you can, over the span of, I'm going to use a number like I was in the podcast, I said, I don't know, 1,000 people might take you a year or two to get to that level. But it starts at zero and it's a continuous increase. And if you picture getting 1% response, and that you can get less than that, it's a number. So 1% out of 1,000 people would be, you'd make 10 sales. So maybe 0.5%, maybe 1% it's in that range, depending on what the offer is and who your list is and how, whether they just sign up for a freebie and they don't even read your emails, or you've sent them a lot of information and they're sitting on tenterhooks to see what the next thing you send them are. There's a lot of variables in there, but this will make you money. So click the link in the video description. Go check out Lee Murray's the Rotator Kit Megapack number 4. It's 180 plus emails done for you, ready to go. It's the funnel to get people signed up to your list. It's the rotator to send them the email links. It's the traffic training. It's the training about using the rotator and everything. It's everything in one package you need to know for $47. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. There's a demo video there from Lee Murray, and he will explain it in great detail. And you'll go, oh, I see. That's what I should be focusing in on. Bam, I told you. Okay, go check it out. Click the link in the video description and go check out Lee Murray's TRK Megapack number 4, fresh out today. Enjoy.